How to face swap in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To face swap in CapCut, it is basically very simple. Start off by launching your CapCut application in your device. Now over here, first thing you need to navigate is the template option that is in the bottom. Now over here in the search bar, you can search for keywords such as face swap. Now if you tap on the search bar, you will see that there will be various of template that can allow you to swap your face. So if you wish to swap your face, what you can do is you can just click on the template of your choice and tap on use template. Once you click on it, then you will have to select a photo to swap with your face in the gallery. Select on the image that you wish to swap from. After which AI itself will help you to generate a new video with the face on. So that is how you can swap your face in CapCut. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.